So it's my 26th birthday today, and Brittany said we got to be somewhere at 3:30. It's 3:30 right now, and I guess we're skydiving.
Bitch, we in the city on that hot shit. Looking for a biddy on that thot shit. Y'all ain't getting money, nigga, stop this. I be round the globe talking hot shit. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it.
So, love you guys. See you on the other side, I guess. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Join me on my skydiving adventure, guys, and we'll show you how Ben handles it.
Ben, what's going on today?
Skydiving.
Really? Why would you do such a thing? We're all going to die, just not today. was that? That's awesome. That's a lot of pressure change. My left ear is like... Yeah, it might take a minute for it to clear up, but what'd you think of that? Let's go again. The second jump's usually better than the first.
That was awesome. That was awesome.
Man.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank
You did great. You made it easy. Till next time.
So Brittany and I just finished skydiving. We have our certificate of achievements. Brittany, show everybody your certificate of achievement. So I don't know how high that was. I have no idea. I saw our land that we bought while we were doing that. Brittany landed with 2 gallons of spit on the side of her face. That was her achievement. I got more sunburnt on the way down. That was my achievement. That did not feel like 120 miles an hour. As soon as the door opened, I went first, and I thought to myself, oh boy. And then I jumped. The instructions that I was given on how to get out of the plane, how to jump, I did none of that, actually. I didn't listen to any of that. And then on the way down, he's like, how would you feel about 1.5 G's? See how that feels. I'm like, and then he just went for it anyways. So that was pretty fun. And then we landed in this field right behind us. And happy birthday to me. Thanks, babe.
Bitch, we in the city on that hot shit. Looking for a biddy on that thot shit. Y'all ain't getting money, nigga, stop this. I be round the globe talking hot shit. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it.